Hey guys, today I'm gonna be trying a chicken sandwich. As you see, it is brand new. So let's get started. I have some water in case I get thirsty when I'm eating this. So let's take a bite. It is good. Let's get some water now. Okay. So I am now gonna be taking another bite. Look. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I switched to another place because you couldn't really see me back there. So, okay, so here's the burger. It's so delicious.
It's not old, but it's not fresh chicken salad, and it's cold.
Now I'm gonna drink my water.
Cause that chicken salad is disgusting.
So I am gonna take one more bite before I end this video.
Nothing. You have a bunch of food. You only got one chicken salad. You need taste test? My baby, but you got a bad food.
Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm pissed.